Where is your mother? I am here to collect what your father owed me before he decided to die.
He decided to die, Abi?
Oh, what are you doing here?
Your husband borrowed 12 bags of coins for the new farm year.
12 bags of coins. I am not aware of this. He did not tell me, and he tells me everything.
Apparently not.
Mauche, I am not aware of this loan.
It is not my business. I want my money. Your husband has no right to die without paying what he owes me.
Tafẹ́ ti kú. Ká ní a mọ̀ pé wọ́n jẹ yín lówó. A sọ fún wọn pé Tafẹ́ o, má kú lẹ́ni o, kú lọ́la. Bàbá fẹ́ wá gba owó ẹ̀ lẹ́ni.
Warn your daughter. Warn her not to escalate this already volatile situation.
Or what? You will lose your temper and push me?
Salami, stop. Please. She's only my husband's niece. She has no sense in her. Please.
I need my money.
Search my spirit and soul. I don't have that kind of money. Where will I get that kind of money from?
Okay. I will show you mercy. Because this is a very short notice. So I will give you 2 market days to find my money and pay me.
2? Just 2? All I have is a pig. And even that pig cannot fetch me 12 bags of coins.
Baba, ṣé ojú ń dùn yín ni? Ẹ rí pé opó lobìnrin yìí. Ṣé opó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ tọkọ ẹ̀ bá kú? Ibo lẹ fẹ́ kó ti rówó yẹn? Why do you want her to get that kind of money?
Ask me again. Ask me again.
We will report you to the king.
Ah!